the avians.
They are the avians. These are birds, which they're called.
The Philippine serpent eagle.
Wow, they called Philippine serpent eagle. They usually kill snakes.
Snakes are venomous.
This is so
Look, I say
scary.
it can be found on mountains.
Oh, they can be found on mountains. Habitat, forest and mountains.
For Philippines don't have forests.
You have one that's on mountain. Oh, what's that?
I hear something. Oh,
It's just a snake of doom.
owl. Grass owl.
But where's the owl?
Here.
Ooh! Look at those big.
There.
Look at those big eyes. Look at that big eyes. Maybe they can attract some humans to kill them. Oh look, let's continue on the other side. Avian. This is a Philippine hawk eagle. They can kill prey.
It can kill its prey.
Oh, there's nothing. Let's continue on the other side.
Carnot.
Oh, I see something. Oh, wow.
We already see that.
Their sounds are so cute. He's a cute little cutie pie. They're small, but that's okay. Their colors are this. Look, they're this. They're this one. You ask. Hey. Hello? Hello? No.
Let's go see the parrot. And now we're going to tiger.
Tigers. Tigers are over there. Oh. Let's see what's in there. Don't worry, we'll be back.
Hey, look, if you wanna, a crow. Crows.
Okay.
We already see crows.
And what's in that cage? A cage of nothing. I don't see it because the sunlight hurts me.
Oh, look, hornbills.
Hornbills. But where is the bird?
There.
Oh, it's a hornbill.
Oh, look, blue and yellow macaw. Blue and yellow macaw.
It's on the movie Rio.
Rio.
Rio?
Yes. It's so cute.
These are the Amazons. These are the Amazon parrots. They're called Amazon parrots.
They're called only Amazon parrots. They're called only Amazon parrots. They might, you can see on Amazon. It's not from Philippines. They took it from another country.
These are
Okay,
Amazon.
come on here. Where's the way?
Let's go there. Let's go there.
Look, it's a horse.
Oh, look over there, porcupines.
Porcupine in that cage. It's a porcupine.
Wow, their quills is so sharp. What is that? What is that over there?
Oh, we already see that. Oh no, they climb.
What?
It tried to escape. That animal's trying to escape. What is this? Wait a minute. I think we already saw them.
The monitor lizard again. Come on, let's go.
No one pets a
Oh,
porcupine.
look. There's the closer ones. The closer ones.
The monkeys are just. I only see monkeys, but I don't.
Wait a minute. Are we?
Yes.
Oh wait, there's another.
We have to see the tigers. But where is the tiger cage? Lovebirds.
Here, that cage.
The cage of lovebirds.
Oh. Let's continue. I know what lovebirds are.
They look like.
Can you
I know what
explain?
they look like.
Yes, I can explain anything.
Lola Manola pets lovebirds.
What?
Lola Manola pets are lovebirds.
But it's blown away and dead.
Tigers.
What? What is that? Oh, look at that. They're scary.
Tigers will eat you. Don't make sound. That tiger is Shere
Can you
Khan.
touch? Can you hold it?
Tigre.
Hey.
Okay, I can hold it.
Tigers can live in forest.
You see that white and orange over there? It's that stripy one. It's quite scary. Well, it looks like a kitten.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. I thought you're the one. Okay, I'm asking. Wait! Oh, what's in there? Oh, look! Follow where he's going. Follow where he's going.
This place is just like a zoo. Lions. Tulog si lion.
My goodness!
A lion. You know what is tiger plus lion?
They are called ligers.
Wait a minute. I think that I saw that tiger.
Let's go.
Let's go, but where's the way? Not that sheep again.
Sheep sounds like eh. It doesn't sound like a sheep. Oh, it wasn't.
That's like we're mouse.
Yes.
Where do we think I'm going?
I don't know.
Hey, I know the place. It's right there. umbrella?
It's from the other side.
You see that pond? There's mommy!
Oh. Where is the umbrella?
In here.
Let's go down. You know where they are. Okay. Here is our next stop.
What
You
is that?
remember me, guys? You know where are the animals.
Did you vlog?
Yes.
We saw deers. We saw pheasants.
Oh wow, that's amazing.
We saw deers. We saw pheasants. And we saw
Here
parrots.
are the paddlers.
Come here.
Here are the paddlers.
Oh.
Here are the paddlers. But I don't think there is a fish or not. Maybe they died. Sorry.